we're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now, we're thrilled to share this one with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Simply contact the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.